Hey guys, it's Liz here with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Halloween set from Sparkle Infusion. Since it's the Halloween set, it does come in these cute little Halloween bags. And with my 20% discount, which you can take advantage of as well, I will link that in the description. It comes to about $22.80. That's before tax. So that's right under the $25 mark for free shipping. So you can either pay $5 for shipping, or for about the same price, you can just add one more color. So for me, that was no brainer. I added another color. So I will also be unboxing Pink Sugar for you. I did want to add that they did leak a little bit, but she assured me that she will be adding tape around these so that they don't leak during shipping. And she is going to be getting different jars for the future. I'll also link a video that I have that will show you how to add a liner in case you want to continue to use these jars. So up first we have Bewitched, and I did this video a little differently. I unboxed and swatched at the same time so you can kind of see both in action. So if you like this format, let me know in the comments. Give it a like. If you didn't like it, again, let me know in the comments so I can kind of change it up and do something different. So Bewitched is a glitter powder. It doesn't have any pigment in it. All the color comes from the glitter. It has a kind of a fine, extra fine purple and maybe some black in it. I couldn't really tell. It does have kind of a fine iridescent glitter, and I think that might have been a magenta glitter in there that was giving it that iridescent look to it. And then it has some medium and chunky black and medium chunky. It's kind of like a magenta or a purpley pink. That's a technical word, right? Purpley pink. Kind of a purpley pink hollow glitter. So I really like this glitter. I thought it was, it wasn't too chunky. It was still pretty easy to work with. I only did 2 dips for my swatch, and I did not cap any of these swatches in clear. And as you can see, I'm kind of laying it flat with a baggie, and that's all I did for this. And then I did my usual dip, and just instead of encapsulating in clear, I just went ahead and did a top coat. And all of them looked pretty smooth. And this is the final swatch after top coat. Next up we have Twilight, and this is also a chunky glitter. It has the same kind of ratio of fine glitters to chunky glitters as the last one, so it was still pretty easy to work with. I did do the gel method for this swatch, and it was super shiny and clear. So I feel like her glitters will work with the gel method, so if that's the method that you prefer, you can use that method with this as well. And I didn't do a color powder swatch, but if you are interested in that, just let me know in the comments and I will do one for you and let you know if it works with the colors as well. So the colors in this, it's got some ultra fine black glitters. It's got kind of like this fine berry color. I really don't know how to describe it. It's almost like a red with just a little bit of pink, or maybe it is just a red. But then it has some medium and chunky. She calls it a black hollow. It almost looks like a gunmetal color hollow to me. Again, I only did 2 dips with this. I used my baggie and my finger to kind of place the glitters and get them to lay flat. And then I cured it, but I did not encapsulate it in clear. And as you can see, it's super shiny and pretty flat. And this one is Black Magic. It is just a fine glitter powder. It doesn't have any pigment in it, but it is super concentrated, multicolored glitter dip. So it has a little bit of all of the colors that you would think of whenever you think of Halloween colors. So it's got some green, it's got some orange, it's got some black, and it's got some purples in it. It may have some other colors, but those are the ones that are really distinct in there. And I just did 2 dips with this, but it is so super concentrated with glitter, that's all you really needed. So this is ectoplasm, which to me is perfectly named because it looks just like Slimer, and I think of Ghostbusters every time I see it. So this is a neon green glitter, and the glitter is kind of an iridescent glitter, so it's got a really pretty shimmer to it, and the pigment, it's not overly pigmented, so it kind of gives this jelly look. Even after 3 dips, it wasn't too opaque, so you kind of get that jelly look to it. So the last color we have is Jack. It is a neon orange glitter dip, and it's got, again, just a slight pigment to it and some orange glitter. So even after 3 dips, it still kind of gives off that jelly look to it. So the last color that I have for you is this pink sugar. Again, this is not part of the Halloween set, but I wanted to let you see this one as well because it is a beautiful bright pink. And this is not usually a color that I would pick out for myself, but I was trying to get outside of my comfort zone a little bit, and I was pleasantly surprised. This pink has an iridescent glitter, and it is highly concentrated with that iridescent glitter, and it is really pretty. I feel like this one would be really pretty as like a sugared nail, so I'm definitely gonna have to try that out. So make sure that you're following me on Instagram so you can see how that looks later. So this is 3 dips, again, not encapsulated in clear. And that's going to be all for this video. If you decide to purchase this set, make sure that you use my link in the description. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.